Hello there, friends. Today, I'm gonna modify the Shimoda X30 backpack, and then we're gonna give it away. Oh! I'm gonna start with the handle wrap, and I've decided I'm gonna use walnut brown. I've decided I want to replace these front center section zipper pulls with Caribbean blue. This zipper pull at the very top of the bag, I've decided to replace with a reflective 3M black as an additional safety feature. One last zipper pull that I'm going to replace, and that's the one in this internal top compartment. All done. It's hot in here, man. I gotta go. Go.